Various views were expressed today at the resumption of the Senate hearing on the proposed shift to a federal form of government. Among those who appeared before the Senate Committee on Constitutional Amendments were two former Supreme Court Chief Justices and a former Senate President. The details from Sweden, Velado.
The opinions of resource speakers are divided during the Senate's third hearing on the proposed amendment of our 1987 Constitution as part of the government's shift to federalism.
Is there a need to revise the Constitution? My answer is yes, if, as we propose, we intend to adapt the federal system into our governmental setup.
There is absolutely no need to amend or revise our Constitution.
The Senate is still undecided on the mode of amending or revising the fundamental law, whether they will convene as a constituent assembly or constitutional convention. Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panela says it will be cheaper if the Congress goes for CONAS, which will only cost 204 million pesos compared to 11 billion pesos amount of CONCON. But according to former Chief Justice Reynato Puno,
we should not count the cost when writing a constitution. A good constitution is the best investment a people can make.
Puno considers having a hybrid CONCON where delegates are not only elected but also appointed, while political parties are not allowed to have their candidates join the convention. When it comes to voting, it must be done separately by the lower and upper chambers of Congress.
The members of the House represent districts, while the senators represent the nation. They have different perspectives, and these perspectives are to be reflected institutionally.
Meanwhile, Senate Minority Leader Franklin Drilon reminded that as a Congress, the House and the Senate must always share the same decisions.
If the committee recommends that the process be constitutional convention and the same is adopted by the plenary, then that effectively stops the cha-cha train of the House.
Professor Edmundo Garcia suggests before a process begins, it is vital that the public is fully informed and ready for the amendment or revision of our Constitution. Senator Francis Panghilinan, chairman of the Committee on Constitutional Amendments, shared they have scheduled public deliberations in Baguio, Cebu, and Cagayan de Oro. Sweden, Velado for the Nation.